Okay guys, real quick one today. This is a Toro. Let's see what year she is. This is an '08 model, 11 years old. Guys, I've been taking care of this mower a long time. It has always been serviced. It has always received good quality 30 weight oil at the beginning of every season. But this was around 2008. Briggs and Stratton had some problems with, I know for sure, the 126T series. This is a 124T. So there's a year range there from the late 2000s where these Briggs had some issues. Now, if you don't know, those first two digits right there, that '08, that's your year. And that's true for any Briggs. The first two digits of the code number give you the year. So there's your model, type, and code. And that type includes that B1. Anyway, I do believe we are witnessing the end of the life of this poor little mower. Let me see if I can film this. But I want you to hear this. I'm not sure how well that'll come through on the video. This thing is knocking like crazy, so I do believe it is almost time for this one to die, unfortunately. If it makes it through this season, I will be incredibly surprised. Thank you.